Hi everyone, Builder Dave here, continuing our whiteboard series. And another question we get asked regularly is, we can do the ICF walls, but can we do concrete ceiling, concrete roof? Absolutely, and I just thought I would walk through some of the differences. Most of the homes we build, we use a traditional wood-framed roof, whether it is a rafter or a simple truss design. And that's the more economical route to build a home. If we have a client who would like to put a concrete ceiling in, what we have done is put a concrete ceiling in. And so this area becomes concrete. And now they have a full four-sided concrete home with a wood framed roof for really looks of the house. If our client wants to go the full concrete roof route, we can replace these with angles, and the entire roof structure can be concrete. That's a extremely well-built house, very high wind load capacities. The challenge to that is this is a budget driver. It is very expensive to add the concrete, either slope roof or flat roof. We can do them. We can install them, design for those, but they are more expensive, almost measurably more expensive, and just really have to work with the right project with the right budget for that kind of system. Thank you. Take care.